Are you ready to upgrade your tech game and take it to the next level? We've covered you from smartwatches that can control your home to 3D printers that can bring your wildest designs to life. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech gadgets on the market. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 insane tech gadgets you can find on Amazon. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by these cutting-edge creations. Starting at number 10, the Smart Home Hub. First up on our list is the Smart Home Hub. This device acts as the central hub for all your smart home devices, allowing you to control them from one convenient location. It can be controlled using an app on your phone and can be used to automate your home, set schedules, and more. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their smart home setup and take control of their home automation. Number 9. Portable UVC Light Sanitizer. Next up is the Portable UVC Light Sanitizer. This gadget uses UVC light to kill germs and bacteria on your phone, tablet, or other small devices. It's small, lightweight, and can be easily taken on the go, making it the perfect travel companion for anyone looking to keep their devices germ-free. Number 8. Smart Cooker. If you're a fan of cooking, then the Smart Cooker is for you. This device connects to an app on your phone and allows you to control cooking temperatures, set timers, and even control cooking modes. It's perfect for those who are always busy and want to ensure their meals are cooked to perfection without constantly checking on them. Number 7. Wearable Air Purifier. The wearable air purifier is a must-have for anyone concerned about air quality. This small yet powerful device can be worn around your neck and filters the air you breathe, removing pollutants, allergens, and more. It's perfect for those who live in polluted cities or for anyone who wants to take their health to the next level. At number 6, we have Foldable Drone. The foldable drone is a highly innovative piece of technology that combines the convenience of a compact design with the functionality of a full-fledged drone. This drone can easily be folded up and stored in a small bag or backpack, making it the perfect choice for photographers, videographers, and drone enthusiasts who are always on the go. One of the key features of the foldable drone is its advanced camera system, which can capture stunning aerial photos and videos with ease. The camera can be controlled using a mobile app, and the drone can be flown using GPS or manual controls. With its compact design and long-lasting battery life, this drone is ideal for capturing breathtaking footage from the sky, no matter where you go. A bulky drone, it's easy to use and can be controlled using your smartphone. Number 5. Smart Glasses. The smart glasses are the perfect accessory for anyone who wants to be hands-free while using their phone or tablet. These glasses are equipped with a heads-up display that projects information directly in front of your eyes, allowing you to stay connected and informed even when you're on the go. Number 4. Smartwatch. The smartwatch is a must-have for anyone who wants to stay connected even when they're away from their phone. These watches have many features, including fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and even mobile payments. They're perfect for those who are always on the go and want to stay connected no matter where they are. Number 3. Virtual Reality Headset. A virtual reality headset is a device that transports you to a fully immersive virtual world. This cutting-edge technology uses a combination of advanced sensors, high-resolution displays, and 3D audio to create a fully realized virtual environment that you can interact with. With a VR headset, you can explore new worlds, play games, and experience things that would be impossible in real life. For example, you can visit a distant planet, go skydiving, or even play a virtual reality game where you must survive a zombie apocalypse. The possibilities are virtually endless. Number 2. Smart Robot Vacuum. The Smart Robot Vacuum is the perfect gadget for anyone who wants a clean house without lifting a finger. These robots use advanced sensors and mapping technology to navigate around your home and clean up dirt, dust, and debris. They're equipped with powerful suction and can be controlled using an app on your phone. They're perfect for those who are busy and need more time to clean, or for anyone who wants a clean home without putting in the effort. Coming in at number 1 on our list is the foldable electric scooter. This innovative gadget combines the convenience of a traditional scooter with the power of electric motors, making it the perfect choice for commuters and city dwellers. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store, and its long-lasting battery provides hours on a single charge. Whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint or want a more efficient way to get around, this electric scooter is a perfect choice. As technology advances rapidly, it's exciting to see what new gadgets will be created and how they will improve our lives. So, keep your eyes and ears open for the latest and greatest tech gadgets, and don't be afraid to experiment and try out new things. Who knows, you may discover the next big thing. Until then, stay tech savvy and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We hope you found this list informative and engaging. And that's a wrap on our top 10 insane tech gadgets on Amazon. We'll see you in the next video.